Welcome to the Freedom Foundation Session Watch. I'm Corey Burris, and again with me is Trent England to talk about House Bill 2203. Now, Trent, this deals with the DMV and with voter registration at the same time.
What could possibly go wrong?
Now, this is a bill that just got pulled off the floor.
It was up for a hearing in committee and was pulled out of the off the committee agenda. Because what this bill would do, we've had motor voter since the mid-90s, and that is when you go to get a driver's license, they automatically have to ask you if you want to register to vote too. And as we mentioned in another video, it's interesting. Democrats pushed that because they thought it would help them, and a lot of the studies show that it slightly helped Republicans. But anyhow, for what it's worth, this would flip that around. Instead of them saying, "Do you want to register to vote?" when you handed in your driver's license application, that would also be a voter's application. And they would say, "Do you not want to register to vote?" So it would make it an automatic
that would
opt-out.
be comparable to going to a website, and instead of clicking the like button, it automatically liked that article for you, and you could unlike it if you wanted to. I mean, it's the same type of thing, but this runs into some legal problems in terms of
huge problems with this because in Washington State, if you can pass the driver's test, you can get a driver's license. It doesn't matter if you're a citizen or not a citizen, illegally in the country, so this potentially would lead to people who are immigrants, not citizens, going to get, even legal immigrants, right? It's not just illegal immigrants. Legal immigrants go, you're here on a work visa, you want to get a driver's license, you go through that process, you don't understand when they ask you this question about voter registration. It's the default position, so you just put the application in the way it is. If you get registered to vote, you're committing a crime. Right? I mean, you're committing an election crime, and if somebody wants to become a citizen, 7 years later, they could be told, you're an election criminal.
So now that this has been pulled, is there anything people can or should do at this point?
Well, for House Bill 2203, we will wait and see what happens. I think it's likely, it had a lot of co-sponsors. I think it's likely that either they will put this back in committee and try to amend it, which will be interesting because I don't know how you fix that problem in a way that really solves the problem, or they'll maybe reintroduce something different.
For more information, visit our website, myfreedomfoundation.com, and be sure to check out our videos on our Facebook page. Until next time, this is Session Watch.